Hello, thank you for your time. This is Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. So the point of this video is a couple things. One is to give you some techniques, tips, and tricks you could use on your website to increase your online traffic, your leads, and your business. And two is to compare your website to local competitors' website, see if those techniques could outrank them, get on the first page of Google, which increase your traffic and your leads. So I'll talk about three things: the content, backlinks, citations, and whatever I talk about here, they're free tips to you. But if you want to talk about that or anything else, please feel free to reach out. Otherwise, let's talk about these steps. So first off is content. On your homepage, you need anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000 words. Just depending on the competition number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. So in your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what you want your website to be found for. So speaking of Google, I might type this in looking for you. So I know you do water heaters. I know that's a big job to do. So I typed in water heater San Francisco to look for your services. And here's what typically comes up. Ads come up here. This is one strategy to use to be right in front of the faces of consumers. That's one strategy. This is the map pack here. I'll talk more about this in a minute. But we call these organics right here. So the goal is to organically be at the top of the page for any kind of service you do or area you provide for, this area you provide for. So typically we don't count directories like Angie's List and Yelp because consumers, they go to a local business, especially if it's an emergency type of service with water heaters. So I'll compare your website to this Magic Plumbing water heater. So if you could outrank them and get on the first page of Google, that'll give you a lot of value there. So to do that comparison, here's a tool we use called Ahrefs, and here's your URL right here. So here's your number. So right now you're not using any keywords on your website, and keywords gives that electricity, that power to be on Google to be found by consumers. So you want to increase your keywords there. So to compare that to Magic Plumbing here, here's their water heaters website. So here's their numbers right here. So they're using 10 keywords, which is not a whole lot. Great thing about keywords, you could take these keywords here, put them on your website, you could optimize them, get that same search volume, and that's how you start outranking competitors in the area. So second is backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere where one website is linked to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, and then Google uses that to build trust in your business by seeing others vouch for you. It's also like a popularity contest. Person with the most backlinks wins, but keeping in mind not all backlinks are created equal. It's important to have strong, relevant backlinks to your website. So it's not always about quantity, it's about quality of backlinks. So right now you don't have any backlinks onto your website, so that's something you need to increase as well to get that traction, to get that traffic presence. Compare that to this local competitor here. They have 7 backlinks with 6 reference domains. So this is giving them that traffic of 24 compared to the traffic you're getting 0 on your website. So you definitely got to increase your keywords, increase your backlinks, and you should be matching some of your top competitors there, which increase your traffic. Then lastly is citation. So a citation is anywhere where your business name, number, and your address are shown exactly on your Google business profile. So citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since this can generate huge amounts of revenue. And the goal is to be in the top 3 here. Much like on pages 2 and 3 at Google, people don't click for services. People won't click this button for more businesses for the most part. So you want to be in the top 3 here. And to do that, you increase your citations with directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, BBB, hundreds of others you've probably heard of. Also, social media accounts are great here too. So the idea here is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. And the larger online presence is, the more Google trusts you. So if you do have that business address in San Francisco, you want to be in the top 3 here. And the more Google sees you, more often than these competitors, the more likely is you outrank above them. So once your content, your backlinks, and your citations come together, you start to outgrow your competitors. And here's what you might be looking at, why that's worth it. To be in the eyes of consumers here in the map pack and up here organically for all the services that you do and all the areas that you provide for. So not sure what your margins are, but imagine that would generate some pretty decent revenue. And also there's many more keywords you could use to generate more traffic and leads. So this is what I do. I create this for you to start thinking about those leads yourself online. But if you do find yourself wanting more to continue scaling as far as you want, please feel free to reach out. I could help you out with that, give you some more information, or we just talk about goals and I can do the research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business, what it might take to reach those goals. So if you leave me a line of feedback, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this video. Again, I'm Travis Miller with Last Dragon Digital Marketing. And thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. Much luck in your business. Have a great day.